Right now we will install our WordPress CMS. Click on WordPress. And then the WordPress dashboard will be appear, from where you can install your very first WordPress software. Click on install now. Here is the version of the software, 5.4.0. You have to select one from this section. I'm selecting HTTPS as the SSL is already applied to my desired domain. You can see all of my websites already SSL certified. And the domain digitalcouponclub.com is already SSL certified. Go back to the WordPress installation dashboard. You will select your desired domain. Nothing will be written in this section. Your site name, this is site name and site description, and you have to add a username and password, and that will be required to log into your WordPress WP admin dashboard. You can add a mail address here. And then click on install. Thus the WordPress will be installed within a very short time. So the website is installed. Click on this link, administrative URL. This is the primary dashboard of WordPress CMS, and we have successfully installed the WordPress. And basically this is the WordPress section. You will get different sources, documentation, supports from this section, and this is the domain visit site. You can visit the domain from this link. You can see the domain is successfully added to the hosting, and the WordPress is also installed successfully, and now we are live. Here is the dashboard section. This is home, update. You can create new posts from here. You can add different images, videos from this media section. You can add new pages from here. This is comment section, appearance, themes, customize, widget, menus, background, theme editor. You can also add plugin from this section, user panel, different tools, setting.